Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the document verification being done during the KVS interview. I have appeared for KVS PGT Commerce interview on 15th of May in Kolkata at KV number 1 Salt Lake. At my specific venue, a total of 239 candidates were to be interviewed that day specifically for the commerce subject. So for this process, total 10 interview panels were made and each interview panel was supposed to interview 24 candidates and my number was given under panel 7. So what was the scene? All the 24 candidates according to the panel wise were made seated in one classroom. Like let's suppose 24 candidates were sitting in one classroom and next 24 candidates were sitting in another classroom, that is panel wise. So every classroom had two people who were supposed to verify your documents and the candidates were being called serial wise, serial number wise. Now what is this serial number? When the list for the shortlisted candidates for interview was out, your name was written adjacent to a serial number. Yes, you will be called according to the mentioned serial number on the list. There are certain do's and don'ts that have to be kept in mind while your documents are being verified. Number one is that all your documents should be very properly arranged. प्रॉपरली अरेंज्ड होने के कारण आपका टाइम और जो पर्सन आपके डॉक्यूमेंट को वेरीफाई करेगा उनका टाइम भी बचेगा. And at times, the other person might also kind of scold you for not arranging your documents properly. Now, what is this proper arrangement? You have to keep your 10th certificate pehle, then 12th, then your graduation, your post graduation, your B.Ed. After B.Ed, you can keep your caste certificate there. Obviously, if you belong to general category, then you need not have any caste certificate. But if you belong to other categories, then you should be having your caste certificate. Like I also had my domicile certificate with me, but मैंने उनसे पूछा कि should I also present you the domicile certificate? They said no, we don't need it. During my interview, I wasn't asked to present the domicile certificate. Otherwise, a lot of hype was created on the YouTube that you have to carry your domicile certificate, but in my case, they didn't ask me for it. And in order to see that whether you qualify that 50% wala criteria, they also had a calculator in their hands. And yes, they were using the calculator to calculate your marks to ensure that you are qualifying for the exam. आपकी जो basic qualifications है, they are complete, so that they could send you for the interview. And the candidates who were ineligible, they were using the red pen to write on their documents that ineligible. Like I was eligible, my document verification happened very smoothly, सारा कुछ अच्छे से हुआ, I was having all the documents, so on my documents they wrote eligible. And regarding the caste certificate, I could see that they were saying again and again कि आपका caste certificate 3 साल से ज़्यादा पुराना नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब अगर आपका caste certificate let's suppose कि 3 years old है, तो they were sending you for the interview, but it was being written on the face of the documents. मतलब जैसे आप हर डॉक्यूमेंट आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स को वो पैनल के पास सेंड कर रहे थे, ठीक है, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स की एक कॉपी बना के, तो डॉक्यूमेंट के फेस पे अगर आपके कोई डॉक्यूमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम थी तो इट वाज बीइंग रिटन ऑन द फेस ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, राइट? सो एवरीथिंग वाज बीइंग मेंशन्ड देयर एंड देन. I have been watching many YouTube videos lately, and I could see a very common comment being popping up on those YouTube videos, that is TV done religiously? Then yes, the document verification is done very religiously. They are going to see your name, your father's name, everything. The spellings are going to be checked, your signatures are going to be checked, your date of completion of your degrees is going to be checked, everything is going to be checked. They are going to take a good amount of time for the document verification. It is very important, क्योंकि वो बोल रहे थे कि अगर कोई मिस्टेक हुई आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में एंड इन केस दे आर अनेबल टू ट्रेस दैट मिस्टेक देयर, तो उन पे ही उल्टा इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी कि द कैंडिडेट वॉज इनएलिजिबल, हाउ डिड यू डिक्लेयर हिम एलिजिबल फॉर द इंटरव्यू. So they were taking a fair amount of time to do this process. And if you talk about my DV, then my DV went very smoothly since I was very ready with all the copies of my original documents. पहले देखो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने 1 by 1 में से कॉपीज़ मांगी जो मैंने ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट्स की करवाई थी एंड उनको स्टेपल किया, अच्छे से फॉर्म चेक किया मेरा, एवरीथिंग वॉज ओके. देन दे टोल्ड मी कि अपने ओरिजिनल भी दिखाओ, तो उन्होंने मेरे ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी चेक किए. एंड इन माई केस around my document verification went on for 5 or 6 minutes only. Why? Because I was very ready with all the documents. I could see people running here and there, क्योंकि वो उन्होंने क्या किया कि कोई सर्टिफिकेट की कॉपी शायद करवाने वाली रहेगी. दे वर नॉट हैविंग देयर पिक्चर्स, किसी ने साइन छोड़ रखे थे, लाइक आपकी सेल्फ अटेस्टेड होने चाहिए थे डॉक्यूमेंट्स, तो वो सेल्फ अटेस्ट नहीं किए. ऐसी छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स के कारण उनकी डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन बहुत लंबी जा रही थी. बट आई वॉज वेरी रेडी विद ऑल द थिंग्स, सो my DV was finished in just 5-6 minutes. Let's suppose during your DV they came across an error and that error was not of a big nature. मतलब थोड़ा छोटा मोटा सा एरर था, मे बी थोड़ा सा नाम में डिफरेंस हो, लाइक एक वर्ड ना ऐड किया हो, तो दे वर नॉट creating a hype of it. They were very casual, very I won't say casual actually, but they were very relaxed about it. मतलब they were asking those candidates to write an application, simple सी 2-3 lines जैसे कि in case I get selected for the post of KVS PGT Commerce, then I will bring my altered original documents. तो ऐसे वो सिग्नेचर्स ले रहे थे. मतलब दे वर नॉट क्रिएटिंग अ हाइप अराउंड इट कि तो वापस ही भेजे जा रहे हैं. बट हाँ, अगर सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन वॉजंट प्रॉपर या कुछ और था तो फिर वो वापस भेज रहे थे. अदरवाइज छोटी मोटी बात के लिए दे वर अलाउइंग टू अपीयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू. This was all about my personal experience of document verification for the post of KVS PGT Commerce, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. Thank you.